more eloquently than I could say it. Every ghetto youth is a star.
These are those who've been through so many struggles. Babylon will do whatever it takes for trouble. Yeah, you know it's I am here, Snake Area Farmer Man, representing for Aromatic Realistic TV show on YouTube. Please remember to share, like, and subscribe.
Reality check, man, from your device, you know it's a unique one. Aromatic Realistic TV. Anyway, today, my viewers and subscribers, I see where the Prime Minister of Jamaica was down in Montego Bay last week at the conference center before they break the news and give us the date for the local government election. And he was there running his mouth as usual and playing on poor people's emotion once more, because we know that's what he good at. We know his playbook now, and you know we can read him before he even said a word. And he used some lyrics from a song, as he said, it's not just my belief, but one DJ said it far more eloquent than I could said it. Every ghetto youth is a star. One DJ said it far more eloquent than I could said it. Every ghetto youth is a star. I am going to play the clip, and after we play the clip, then we will dissect it. Take it away.
Just my belief. One DJ said it far more eloquently than I could say it. Every ghetto youth is a star. And I want every ghetto youth to realize that dream. Not prosperity for some tapanaris, not prosperity for some big shot, not prosperity for a few, but prosperity must be shared for all Jamaicans.
Playing on these people's emotion, you know?
Just my belief. One DJ said it far more eloquently than I could say it. Every ghetto youth is a star. And I want every ghetto youth to realize that dream. Not prosperity for some tapanaris, not prosperity for some big shot, not prosperity.
But that was the Prime Minister of Jamaica.
Prosperity must be shared for all.
And he's saying every ghetto youth must believe in a them dream. We don't need the Prime Minister of Jamaica to confirm that to us. Him not create Bob Marley. Him not create Dennis Brown. Him not create Luciano. Him not create Garnet Silk. Him not create Bolt them. Him not create Shelley and Fraser them. Him not create Elaine Bailey. Veronica Campbell. Just name the talent them. You understand what I say? So we don't need you to tell we say we are star. We know say we are star because from the day that we were conceived in our mother's holy wombs, we know that we are star. Because guess what? The Almighty God only creates star. Or the Almighty God only creates stars. Some may be an early bloomer and some may be a late bloomer. But we know that the Almighty only creates stars. So we don't need you. We don't need you if you come tell me. Because the only thing what you do is oppress stars. And we know that. 7 years of Zozo, you only oppress stars, bro. So it not take us rocket scientists to figure that out. But the next clip that I am about to show, I'm coming from the Mapen Hospital. Because remember, we do Cornwall Regional, you know, we do SAV, we do KPH. Now, I am at Mapen Hospital. That's Mapen Hospital. Look at the condition. For administration that spend the most money. Look at it. Look at the floor. Wait on bed and can't get me bed. The reality, bro. That's the reality. This is the latest in our series of hospital. This is the Mapen Hospital. Look at the condition, my people. Look at the condition. That is the latest in our series. And a couple days ago, the Prime Minister of Jamaica is telling us that every ghetto youth is a star. And every ghetto youth must live to his or her full potential. Not prosperity for some tapanaris. Not prosperity for some big shot. Not prosperity for few. Prosperity must be sheer for all Jamaicans. It is not just my belief. One DJ said it far more eloquent than I could said it. Every ghetto youth is a star. It not just my belief. One DJ said it far more eloquent than I could said it. Every ghetto youth is a star. Not prosperity for some tapanaris. Not prosperity for some big shot. Not prosperity for a few. But prosperity must be sheer for all Jamaican. Now my viewers and subscribers, home and in the diaspora abroad, I want you to talk to me now. When the Prime Minister is in that crowd and try to rile up the crowd, because you know they have to behave this arrogant and you understand to get the people's attention because the people is not feeling them anymore. So he just cannot use a speech to deliver for the people to stay engaged. So them have to come with their antics. He's telling us that every ghetto youth is a star. Jamaica. He says not for some tapanaris. Those tapanaris go to the Mapen Hospital. I just want you to tell me, Jamaica. His tapanaris go to the Mapen Hospital. His big shot go to the Mapen Hospital. It's not just a few that go to the Mapen Hospital. It's 99% of us use these facilities. Tapanaris does not use them. The big shot does not use them. They fly to Miami, Cuba, or anywhere else. It's we, the sufferer, that use them, bro. So when you're making your presentation, not for some Tapanaris, not prosperity for some big shot or the few. So where is the prosperity? Where is the prosperity? The ghetto youth that you have just stated that every ghetto youth is a star. That is where we use. We don't have a choice. It's either we go there or we turn our yard and dead. And the condition that they are in now, sometimes we better we stay our yard because we go there and we dead faster. And you are on a stage in Montego Bay and telling us every ghetto youth is a star, and look on the condition that the stars have to use. Look at the condition that the stars have to use. And then, come tell me, oh youth, you always abrush the Prime Minister, you don't have nothing good to say about the Prime. What is there good to talk about? What good is there to talk about the Prime Minister when you see conditions like these? Anyway, my people, let I show back this video one more time of the Maypen Hospital. Look at the condition. Tell me, my people. Tell me, my people. Tell me. Tell me, look at the condition. Tell me. Tell me, my people, look at the condition of the Maple Hospital. And the Prime Minister is in Montego Bay bragging and boasting, playing once more on poor people's emotion, because that's all he can do, because they don't have nothing of substance to run hand. They don't have anything of substance to run hand. So he go on a stage and he carry on. Every ghetto youth is a star. But look at the conditions of this facility that the stars have to use. Don't be naive of the facts. We use them words and we do a research and we carry the facts to debunk what they are saying. They are playing on our emotion. They use ghetto as a slang. When they say ghetto, because they know that's where a lot of us is from, we gravitate to that word. Like how we gravitate to church. So you are once more again out there playing on the people's emotion. Not prosperity for some Tapanaris. Not prosperity for some big shot. Not prosperity for the few. Prosperity must be sheer for all Jamaican. But look at the conditions of the facilities that the ghetto youth them and the youth them who you claim a star is using. Anyway, you said one DJ said it better than you. But this is from the great, late, the legend, Robert Nesta Marley, one of the ghetto youth that you couldn't influence, and one of the ghetto star that you don't have no influence or nobody feel. That a star that went created by the Most High God. From the star that went in a mother womb. Rest in peace, Bob Marley. And the words of the legend, hypocrite to the highest, Prime Minister, you are hypocrites to the highest, telling us not prosperity for some tapanaris, not prosperity for some big shot, not prosperity just for some few hypocrites at the highest level. When you see our condition in this facility that we have to use because we don't have a choice. Because we don't have a choice. So let me remind you what the great Robert, legend Nesta Marley, one of the greats hero of our soil. He's a silly hypocrite. Them a galang there. Silly hypocrites. Them a galang there. And what I say? Dip for the diplomatic, dip for the hypocritic, dry for the dryland tourists, top for the tapanaris. See the hypocrite, them a galang there. See the hypocrite, them a galang there. See the hypocrite, them a galang there. Dip for the diplomatic, dip for the hypocritic, dry for the dryland tourists, top for the tapanaris. See the hypocrite, them a galang there. See the hypocrite, them a galang there. You, Mr. Prime Minister, is the definition of the biggest hypocrite. So you draw for a favorite DJ, but me draw for Jamaica #1, the greatest of all time in the world where reggae music concerned. The great late legend Robert Nesta Marley. And he said, dip for the diplomatic, dip for the hypocritic, dry for the dryland tourists, top for the tapanaris. See the hypocrite, them a galang there. See the hypocrite, them a galang there. Pop, 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 panada, pop, 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 panada, pop, 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 panada. See the hypocrite, them a galang there. See the hypocrite, them a galang there. He said, dip for the diplomatic, dip for the hypocritic, for the dryland tourist, top for the tapanaris. See the hypocrite, them a galang there. See the hypocrite, them a galang there. Definition them the man of hypocrite. Once more trying to play on the vulnerable people's emotion. But as I said before, Aromatic Realistic TV, I don't deal with fiction, bro. I'm not for that. I don't do tabloid. I don't do propaganda. And I don't do gossip. It has to be the real of the realest. I bring it to the people the lowest and the clearest. Because at the end of the day, the message must reach. The message must reach. It must preserve in the cranium where they can use that going forward. So they can't be tricked by the tapanaris. They can't be tricked by the hypocritic. You understand what I'm saying? That is my role around here. To just use people's words and to just hold them accountable. Hypocrites to the highest level, bro. He said, dip for the diplomatic, dip for the hypocritic, try for the dryland tourist, top for the tapanaris. See the hypocrite, them a galang. See the hypocrite, them a galang. See the hypocrite, them a go along there. Anyway, my people, you don't know. Stay tuned to Aromatic Realistic TV. Remember to like and share and follow us over YouTube. You know. Touch the notification bell. And you don't know, so each time I drop a video, you should be the first to find out. You know the matter, you know the motive. When you see a video or a content, you know, keep it to yourself. You watch it and like it and share it. Because the message have to reach, you know, because remember, you know, that we are all teaching. You understand what I'm saying? So your part is as important as me, the content creator. You understand? The struggle is real. You can't get no more realer than this. You know what I mean? We tell them, say, oh, a God and good road. No man is an island. No man stand alone. We tell them, say, if you love your neighbor, love your brother, love your sister, and show them respect. That's what I mean. You tell them the signature word. You tell them the signature word. To love. To love. To love. Peace and love. Out. Right, that's how that.